Happy Sunday. Hope all is well. I'm making this video because I noticed something about these two fans. You can see they're different, but they're the same. Now each one works basically the same. Oh, that's something new. So this design starts up faster. Has two blades. The motor is recessed inside of the heatsink, and the thermoelectric coupler is above the motor below the heatsink. It starts up faster. This one is built generally the same, except the heatsink is on the top of the thermocoupler, which is both separate of the motor. This one has 3 blades. It's pushing more surface area. And as soon as it started rolling, it went faster. So, that's on startup. When the fireplace cools down, this one's the first one to stop. And this one goes and goes and goes and goes. Now, this one took longer to start up, but as soon as it started up, it was automatic full speed. Just boom, gone. Rolling like bread dough. This one is still just, it's rolling. So, I digress. This is a prime example of why there should be common sense engineering practices for the purposes of quality control in manufacturing, and should trickle down to the right to repair. Now, this engine is sitting outside of the heatsink. This engine is sitting inside of the heatsink. Now, as this one gathers heat, all of that heat is going to bog down this motor. As this one gathers heat, it's dissipating more heat through the motor and cooling it. Somebody spent hard-earned money to buy one of these, and there was an engineer that engineered it. Well, instead of allowing for less quality practices, we should have standards set by the industry of this is how you do build these things. Why would you build it differently? Common sense. I don't want to buy 4 of something either. So, maybe This is a better design. Than this. Maybe this will help stimulate your minds in a good way. Happy Sunday. Cheers.